Hey everyone, I bought this Miraggio brand bag, so let's check it out. This model is Denice large size tote bag and the MRP is 4499, but we got it from Amazon for 2939. The direct link is given in the description box. And inside the box there is this bag, a sling strap which you can attach to these hooks, and this is adjustable. There are also two loop handles, and there is only one zip pocket which is quite large. Apart from that, there are two pockets on the side as well. Inside, a 14 inches laptop fits easily. In fact, I carry two laptops and they also fit easily too. There is no zip on this bag and a hook to close it. This bag will stand wherever you keep it. It doesn't fall because of the base is flat and solid. You can carry this as a shoulder bag or like this in your hand. It's quite stylish. The material is fox leather. It looks sturdy and durable. Negatives, I just have 2 points. One, there is no separate compartment for laptop. Secondly, it's pretty heavy bag on its own. But overall, good space, classy bag, and you will get plenty of compliments for it. Stitching, quality, absolutely top notch. So I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.